हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इग्नू स्टूडेंट जोन। आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको एमसीक्यू 4 के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस बताने वाली हूं जो कि आपके एग्जाम्स में बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्प करने वाले हैं अच्छे मार्क्स स्कोर करने के लिए। तो वीडियो को पूरा ज़रूर देखिएगा। चैनल पे पहली बार आ रहे हैं तो इसे सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि मैं ऐसे ही और इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट के जब क्वेश्चन लेकर के आऊँ तो आपको उसके नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे और आप अपने एग्जाम में अच्छी तरह से प्रिपेयर कर सकें। तो चलिए बात करते हैं इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के बारे में एमसीक्यू 4 का। What is the business environment? Enumerate the important changes taking place in Indian business environment and state the impact of emerging rural market on business in India. Why is it important for a manager to study and scan this environment? Next question is state the requisites of a good corporate governance and explain as to why accountability is regarded as the key to success in corporate governance. Define small scale sector. Discuss the institutional framework that can be evolved for the promotion and growth of small scale sector in India. What are the major constraints that are still being faced by the small scale sector? Next question यहाँ पे है discuss the trade policy reforms initiated by the government of India since 1991-1992. Describe the composition and functions of Competition Commission of India. What are the rights conferred upon the consumer under the Consumer Protection Act 1996? Explain. What are the complaints that can be filed before a consumer forum? Next, discuss the major components of external environment and the impact on business. Enumerate the distinguishing features of producer companies. Describe various methods of making capital issues. Explain briefly the Legislative Measures Act adopted in India to bring in harmony and cooperative relationship between employees and employers and resolving individual conflicts and disputes. Distinguish between entrepreneurship role and promotional role of government. Explain the rationale and mechanism of technology transfer. Next, explain briefly the major provisions of Company Second Amendment Act 2002 and the amendments proposed in Amendments Bill 2003 in respect of dividends and also explain the features. Describe the duties and powers of Competition Commission of India. What are the rights of consumers under the Consumer Protection Act? Explain. Explain the concept of globalization as a national policy and state the steps taken by the Government of India towards globalization. Also analyze its implications for the developing country. Next, explain the framework of Indian financial system. State the major recommendation of the Narasimha Committee on financial sector reforms. Next question I have 14 number. Give 5 arguments to justify business enterprises assuming social responsibility and enumerate corporate social responsibility efforts made in India. Explain the concept of social accounting and the various approaches adopted for social accounting and reporting. Discuss monetary policy and its objective. Explain the highlights of fiscal policy announced by the Government of India. 16. Why is foreign capital so important for India's economic development? Point out important policy changes announced by the government to attract foreign capital since July 1991. Distinguish between FDI and FIIs and which one will you prefer and why? Define stock exchange. What do you mean by listing of securities on a stock exchange? Describe its key functions. Explain its importance for the investors, the corporate sector, the society at large. 18 number है social responsible organization are usually the most successful organization. Comment. Explain the dimensions of social responsibility of a business. What do you mean by privatization? Why is it considered necessary today? Explain the possible areas of privatization and point out the problems associated with privatization in India. Write short notes on the following. आपको short notes लिखने हैं. SEZ यानी कि Special Economic Zones, Liberalization, Anti-Competition Agreements under Competition Act, Need for Investors Protection, Environmental Scanning, Application and Coverage of SICA 1985, Export Promotion Measures, Agreement of Trade Related Investment, Major Trims, TRIMS, FIRA इंडस्ट्रियल सीकनेस इन्वायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 1986. मेरे टोटल 22 क्वेश्चन जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्प करने वाले हैं आपके आने वाले एग्जाम्स में. किसी भी तरह का डाउट हो तो कमेंट करके ज़रूर पूछिए. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगी आपके सारे डाउट्स को क्लियर करने के लिए. वीडियो को पूरा देखने के लिए थैंक यू.